Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice. First, ensure you have day-old, cold rice. This is crucial for a non-sticky result. Next, prepare your ingredients by chopping them into small, uniform pieces. Think about your favorite vegetables, like carrots and peas, and a protein such as chicken or tofu. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and faster. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a large wok or a deep skillet over medium-high heat. First, add your protein, like diced chicken or shrimp, and cook it thoroughly until it's no longer pink. Then, toss in your chopped vegetables, such as peas, carrots, and corn. Stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a nice bite. Once your protein and vegetables are cooked, push them to one side of the wok. Add your cold, day-old rice to the empty side, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce directly over the rice, along with a dash of sesame oil for that authentic flavor. Gently fold everything together, ensuring the rice is evenly coated and heated through. Continue to stir-fry the entire mixture for another 1 to 2 minutes, making sure everything is piping hot and well combined. For a final touch, garnish your delicious fried rice with some freshly chopped green onions. This adds a lovely pop of color and a fresh, mild onion flavor. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.